Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make a very simple but powerful natural ingredient you can add to your soup. We call it caramel sugar. It acts as a natural colorant, giving your soup a lovely golden or brown tone, and it also works as a gentle exfoliant, helping to remove dead skin cells. Best of all, it's completely natural and easy to make at home. Stay tuned.